Hey there, amazing people. Ready for a morning ritual that's about to blow your mind? Forget those pricey collagen pills that promise the world. Today, we're diving into one incredible food that can rebuild your joints and erase those pesky wrinkles. Get ready for a younger, more vibrant you. So, what's this magical food? Drumroll: bone broth. This isn't some new superfood. Your grandma probably made it. Bone broth is the liquid left after simmering animal bones in water for hours. This slow cooking extracts the good stuff, creating a nutrient-packed elixir. Now, joints. They take a beating every day. Walking, running, all that fun. Over time, the cartilage that cushions your joints can wear down, leading to stiffness and pain. Bone broth is a superhero for your joints. It's loaded with collagen, the main protein in your cartilage. Drinking bone broth provides your body with the building blocks to repair and rebuild that cartilage, keeping your joints happy. It's a natural joint lubricant. And what about wrinkles? We all want to keep them at bay. Collagen is also a major component of your skin. It gives your skin elasticity and that youthful plumpness. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, which can lead to wrinkles and sag. Bone broth to the rescue. The collagen in bone broth can boost your skin's elasticity, reducing wrinkles and giving you a more radiant glow. It's a natural fountain of youth. But wait, there's more. Bone broth is packed with other amazing nutrients. It's a great source of amino acids like glycine and proline. Glycine can help with sleep and reduce inflammation, while proline is essential for collagen production. Plus, bone broth is rich in minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are important for overall health. It's not just about joints and wrinkles, it's a full-body wellness boost. How do you incorporate bone broth? Super easy. You can sip it straight, add it to your coffee or tea, or use it as a base for soups. You can make your own bone broth at home, or find high-quality bone broth at most health food stores. Choose a brand that uses high-quality bones and doesn't add unnecessary ingredients. Some of you might think, bone broth? Boring. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. Add delicious flavors to your bone broth. Think fresh herbs, lemon juice, or your favorite spices. Get creative. Consistency is key. Make bone broth a regular part of your morning routine, and you'll see the benefits. Ditch those expensive collagen pills and embrace the power of bone broth. Your joints, your skin, and your body will thank you. Cheers to a healthier, more vibrant you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health tips.